Para sa mga hinahanap-hanap talaga. It's a cover of a River Maya song off the album My Bossa Nova. Adik sa'yo, awit sa'kin, nilang sawa na sa'kin, mga kwentong marathon tungkol sa'yo at sa ligaya, iyong hatid sa aking buhay, tuloy yung bida sa isipan ko ikaw, sa magat sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumilipas, hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita, sa isip at panaginip, bawat pagpihit ng tadhana, hinahanap-hanap kita, sabik sa'yo, kahit maghapon na tayong magkasama, parang telesine ang ating ending, hatid sa bahay nyo, sabay good night, sabay may kiss, sabay bye-bye, sa umagat sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumilipas, hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita, sa isip at panaginip, bawat pagpihit ng tadhana, hinahanap-hanap kita. Sa umagat sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumilipas, hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita, sa isip at panaginip, bawat pagpihit ng tadhana, hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita, sa school, sa flag ceremony, hanggang uwian araw-araw, hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita, at kahit na magkaanak kayo at magkatuluyan balang araw, hanap-hanapin ka, hanap-hanapin ka.
Loving it, man. River Maya cover by City. Wow. Solid. Hey, do you want to say hi to a really big fan of yours?
Sure.
Station Guy 899.
Oh, I'm an even bigger fan of Station Guy 899.
Ako,
Idol ko yan.
fan din naman yan.
Oo,
Idol ko rin yan, si
siya
Station
ko
Guy.
Siya ko CJ eh. Pag ano, he's my,
Pillar of strength ba?
he's,
Shoulder to cry on?
yes, those. And if talaga yung nagamit kong word,
Mm-hmm.
no, when I get to marry, I want someone who's like Station Guy 899 for all the goodness that
Wow.
he embodies.
Wow.
So, yeah. Ganun ko ka-idol yan. As in, idol ko yan. Idol ko yan. Sobra.
Solid.
Yes, solid.
Station Guy 89.
Yeah.
Every guy should be
Super.
like Station Guy 89.
Yes. So, naiyak ako bigla. Oh,
Are you really crying?
No.
What? Baka mamaya tawagan ako lang dito. Biglang dumating dito.
no. It's the songs and the rain and Manny Pacquiao losing.
Hey, but it's fine. You know, life is good.
Yeah,
Life
life is
moves
good.
on.
Yeah.
That's how it is. That's
Yes,
how it is.
yes.
7:57. I'd like to thank City for joining us, but we need to take one last break. We'll come right back to wrap it up with City on Local Vocal after this. Hang on.
This is the Magic Local Vocal. Local Vocal. Local Vocal sa Magic 89.9. Sundays 6 to 8 p.m. This is the Magic Local Vocal.
And it's Local Vocal. We're about to wrap it up. Thank you very much again to City for joining us tonight. Thank you.
Thank you, CJ.
We can't thank you enough. And pagpasensya mo na yung pag-host natin ng show na to.
Ano ba?
Yung kakulitan. And
Giling-giling mo nga eh.
relax. Hi, Station Guy again. Thank you.
Station Guy 899, you're the best.
Any final thank yous or greetings that you guys want to do? Please.
Yes. Saying hi to Kuya Mon De La Torre, Ate Weng, who's tuned in from CDO. Vic, hi. Jolene, to all the citizens who are tuned in. Rose, Kimmy, and to all my Twitter followers, Miel Mignon, Irene, Bea Gomez, Lynn Marcelo, Ate Ann from Davao, Ferdinand Saison, JP, Rai, si Mike who's tuned in from Qatar, my Jojo, who's my cousin, na nasa Abu Dhabi. Hi everyone. Thank you for tuning in. And what else did I need to say? Oh yeah, once again, please do listen to the teaser tracks of my latest album on twitmusic.com/bossagirl, BOSSAGURL. And if you could click on become a fan, it'll be awesome. And then so all of you who have friends in Japan, please spread the word that Warner Music Japan has released my album there. The album is Bossa Covers. 10 tracks siya. And for more details, I'll be posting them soon on my Facebook page. So what else did I... Oh yeah, and gigs, 7th High every Wednesday, and then June 14 and 28 in Cafe Lupe, Sumulong Highway, and then all Fridays of July at RJ Bistro with Tito RJ. And then, watch out for 9. Atlantis Productions 9. It's gonna run from, September to October. And I'm part of the cast. So it's my
Oy,
second
nice.
stage.
What do you
Yeah.
play?
I'll be playing Our Lady of Spa. Parang siya yung she gets to narrate Guido's story. Guido's story. And then, what else did I need to, edi panoorin nyo na rin yung Rock of Ages habang, promote na. Watch Rock of Ages. Isa's there, Nyoy is there. So all our good friends are there. Jet Pangan is there. Miga Yesa is there. So you gotta watch it. It's running from June to July on RCBC Theater. And watch As of Sessionistas. Princess, hi!
Okay. Thank you very much. You don't honestly, you don't have to worry about promoting here naman on the station. I mean, you're like, you can walk in anytime and just promote
Yeah.
any show naman that you want to. Thank you again. Thank you again, guys, for joining us tonight. It's 8:03. Again, you can vote for her song To Forget You on the Magic. It's Magic899 space to 2948, or through Twitter, it's at Magic899, or through Facebook, it's facebook.com/Magic89.9. You're going to sing us out with what song?
This is Sino Mag-Aakala. It's our second track of the latest album, and it's a happy song. Don't you guys worry, it's a very hopeful one. So this is dedicated to all of you who have found love.
We'll end it on a high note. Sarap maging single. Thank you very much. City, thank you very much.
CJ,
one more
there are
time.
some
What?
things I forgot.
Go.
Cityonline.com. Facebook.com/City Navarro. And yeah, my albums are up on iTunes. So just check my Twitter page for the link.
To sing us out for local vocal once again, City.
This is the Magic Local Vocal.